Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 Houston. We're standing in front of the beautiful one-bedroom model. This is at the Hanover Autry Park. This is a luxury high-rise that's just recently opening, and I'm so excited to go in. I think you're going to absolutely love it. This is one bedroom, 882 square feet. So let's walk in. And wow. Okay, I absolutely loving this. This kitchen is stunning. The kitchen is amazing. I love the darker cabinets here, and I love how many there are. There's so much storage that's here. You got beautiful appliances to hold quite a bit of food there. You've got great amount of space, and it's up here. It's just a lot of space. I love these backsplash, and I've seen 2 floor plans so far, and that's a different backsplash. So I think they're going to have various designs, is what I'm saying, in these. So very, very beautiful. Great cabinet space here too. So you can, and also, sorry, the counter space. You're going to have a lot of counter space to present and to serve. So you've got that going for you. This is a wonderful place. I'm loving this bar area as well. The bar area is beautiful. It looks great. And then this is a generous size one bedroom. So not only do you have room here for your 3, if not 4 stools, but you could put a breakfast table or a table in here as well. So very, very nice size. It's really wide. It feels just great. They even include a work from home desk area here. So this to me has everything you would need for a one bedroom. The feel in here is great. Those are floor to ceiling windows over there. So love that. Feels great out here. Hey, let's go outside, see the view real quick. So if we can, we may not be allowed. Okay, there we go. So we've got the view here of the area. We're close by to downtown, and just a great feel here. And remember, you've got all sorts of stuff to walk to in the park that's right outside. So convenient, fun, great area. Now let's go into the bedroom and the bathroom. So the bedroom is amazing. This is definitely a king bed. It's tall too, so you have that fits very easily. You've got 2 end tables, so you're going to have room. One end table. It looks like you have a really large floor lamp. And then you've got good space here, and then you've got about 75% to 80%, something kind of like that, for the windows that are there. Let's walk into the bathroom. And in the bathroom, very, very nice dual sink. That's lovely. Absolutely love that. I love the darker cabinets that are here too. And and look at this nice little touch. I love it when people design little things that are a little bit different, and this is different. So I love the storage that's down here. I've never seen that. That's amazing. Do you see that, where they can put little drawer that you have or whatever else you want, but open storage. Love that feature. Here is the shower area. And then, hey, let's walk in, and we're seeing the closet. The closet's good space. It's definitely walk in. I went about 4 or 5 steps. This is a unusually nice shelf that's here too, with plenty of space. Boy, I love this. This is great. I love the amount of storage that you have. I love the just the feel. Everything feels perfect. Hey, if you'd like more information from an insider's point of view about the Hanover Autry Park, or if you'd like to see more videos or just want to chat more about it, reach out to us. We have a free service at uptown101houston.com/search, and uptown101houston.com/search. Reach out to us, ask some questions, just start chatting with us. We'll get you more information about this high rise. If you want more information about other high rises, we can compare quickly, and we can set up a virtual tour as well. We can set up live tours, and we're very good about working remotely. So even if you're across the pond in South America, or just in another city or state, we can help that as well. But we're also good with live. We can set up live tours as well. Reach out to us. We can't wait to hear from you. Talk to you soon.